Have you ever seen God? I saw him yesterday. He was reading the news with a smirk plastered on his face. He told me, kid, don't you know that it'll never fade? All of these dark nights and all the shame within your face. Now I've seen heaven, and it doesn't seem to look like you. Don't bet on 27, 'cause paradise won't reach out to you. It won't. You're all alone, I wish you well. You're overgrown in a blistering hell. My time is up, I do confess. I've given my all, I've tried my best. I did. But it's alright, it's my time to go. So choose to live or sincerely don't. Let your demons cave or let the angels sing. Choose to be brave or let yourself sing. Let yourself sing. God bless choice, such a wonderful thing. All of this noise, for a great nothing. Great fucking nothing. All of this fucking noise, for a great nothing. All of this fucking noise, for a great nothing.